What's up? Good morning. Good morning. This is day 11. Day 11 on path to $30,000 a month. 5 a.m. Wake up, baby. You know how it is. We're just getting going. We're just getting started. Going through my listings, revising, all that good stuff. So, good start to the morning. Pretty productive. So at this point, I'm basically running through my ads. I have an AI ads manager, and I'm setting up campaigns. If you are interested in it, let me know. I'll put it down on the link below, but I'm starting to use it. I'm starting to like it a lot. So yeah, just let me know. All right, so I just got off the phone with the internal team at Facebook, or was it the internal team? I don't know. It was not just customer service, but they are going to be looking into why my pixel is not converting anymore. Which is good news. So finally got a hold of somebody in person on a call. So it should be a few days. They said it usually is 24 hours. So I'm praying that we can get that fixed so I can get my sales back up. I can figure out what is going on and we can start advertising my website again and not losing money every single day. So yeah, hopefully good luck there. So we can hopefully hit that 30K mark this month. So all right, we'll see. So I created a RFQ for suppliers on Alibaba for my mug boats. I want to get better deals and I want to actually be able to expand and hit number one again and actually stay on the charts longer than 3 days. All right, you know how it is, the daily grind, the daily sticker grind here. I had to get this all done, and I know this is a shorter video. I had my mom come over and she did wallpaper. If you want to see it, it's super dope. Just let me know in the comments below. I'll make it in the next video tomorrow. But yeah. So finishing up this video, we're cutting out the stickers, doing all that good stuff. But I really appreciate you all watching, especially the people that are coming back for more. This is just day in the life, trying to hit 30K a month. Today was very chill. But like I said, I got my mom coming over, so I got to get this video out. I told you, I'm doing this every single day. So, yep, just packaging orders. And I got my mug boats all shipped out, so we're all good. So tomorrow it's going to be pretty lenient. And so tomorrow should be easier. All right, so starting off yesterday's revenue breakdown, we got Walmart at $16.32. So another sale on Walmart just because it's the mug boat, and yep, usually it's when a product goes viral, something will sell on Walmart. All right, so we have on eBay, we made $19.54. Now, not our worst day, but not great. Better than $0, but yep, that's just eBay. All right, so Amazon, we came out to $544. This is the after effects of closing off your number one listing. So if we stayed around this a day, that's great. It would be nice to go back up, but we can't complain. We can't complain. So we're at $544.88 on Amazon yesterday. All right, so yesterday's grand total, we made $580. So, not bad. I am missing the last couple of days when we were making $2,600, $2,300, $1,200. But, this is the ups and downs, and this is why I'm transparent with you guys, because I think a lot of people need to know that it's not always up, and you're going to have your low days. And I know this isn't going to be my lowest day on here. Definitely, but I'm very thankful, and 580 is nothing to laugh about. And it's nice, but we're trying to hit 1,000 a day. We're trying to be consistently at 1,000 a day. So all right, so looking at this, our total for the last 11 days is 12,136. So we are on track for 30K. So hopefully, good luck comes our way and we can hit the 30K this month. But if not, it's all good. This is what it's all about. So yeah. So if you haven't subscribed already, I am doing a video every single day. So this is day 11, and I will be doing another video tomorrow for day 12, Friday, baby. So if you're not there, then you obviously weren't interested. That's fine. But if you're here for it, come subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.